Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing live TV and live sports app to your Firestick, which will allow you to get access to hundreds of channels from all over the world. And most importantly, this app is totally free of charge. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your device. And firstly, you need to get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can get it free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on the Fire Stick, and here in the search bar, you need to start typing downloader. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is the orange app, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you actually got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up the loader, we will need to go to the settings. So just click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. Click on it, and from here, you have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ATB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it, and now there is the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in the VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Czech Republic right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device now, locate Downloader, and let's open it. So you open it up, and here in the search, you have to enter the code. And the code is going to be 4585605. So again, 4585605. That's the code you have to enter. Then click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about fire sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click open yet, instead it's better to press done because this way you get the option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. Then we go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. Then scroll down to the very bottom of the page and here is the new app which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote now. That's the button with three horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app. And in here you get access to hundreds of live TV channels, live events, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels or events available in here. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.